Bakit ganon? What happened? What's that? What's the meaning of that? Ha? Ah, oo. Come, Holy Spirit. Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa yung premier ni Guapo Oragon. Napag-iwanan niya pala ako din. Come, Holy Spirit. I need your power. Why? Why are you so... Feb 18. Kailan ba yung Feb 18? Ngayon ba yon? 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Bukas ang 18. Yun. May network maintenance ang PLDT. Yes. Mag-expire na sa 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. April 30, 25. Kami nila for Cebuana transactions, vouchers, or express motor car rides. Come, Holy Spirit. Hello everyone. Oy, why? Bakit ganyan? Bakit tag-gelads? Bakit nakatag-gelads ako? Anong nangyari? Nirotate ko